everyone. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're not. My channel is focused on my goal towards learning Korean. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot.
Here we are at Road 1950. This is the outdoor section of the building. There's a huge building right over there. There is a beautiful river view over here and a camping car. I'm on the railroad track. This place is like a giant coffee theme park.
Trip to Road 1950. The area is huge. Break it up into three main sections. The coffee shop itself, the outdoor area, and down by the water. Everything about the coffee shop fits a 1950s theme. There are railroad tracks all over and lots of great places to take pictures. There is so much to see and do here, and it's a lot of fun. They even have white sand to give it a real coastal vibe. Felt like I was in America. There is a lot of seating and there are no bad views. It reminded me a little bit of Florida and Chicago. Inside, you can buy coffee, bread, or other meals like a burger. Prices were a little high, so we just got coffee. We ordered an iced vanilla latte and iced Americano. many seats here. Each seat is unique. Not including the massive outdoor space, there are 2 floors and a rooftop. Looking at the water is so peaceful.
When I first came to this place, I was quite blown away because it is in the most unexpected place. It is in the middle of nowhere. You have to drive on a tiny road and then suddenly you find this huge building and you can see tons of American things and American signs and other things like the Beatles, telephone booths, and you walk around the building and there's this huge river view which looks like you went to some kind of coastal city, and it feels like you're definitely in another place. It feels like I took a trip. So I was quite impressed with this place, and all of the seats, every inch of the building is very detailed. It's decorated with antiques and items that you wouldn't normally see anywhere else. And it's not just one piece, it's every inch of the place is filled with really cool things.
I was happy to see this record player because you can also find it in our book. I'm now walking on the train. There's a bull back there. I hope that means we're coming into a bull market. That would be great. Those tents are really cool on the inside. They're going to be open pretty soon. Look at all this great stuff. You can definitely spend a long time here. It's just fun to walk around and see everything. It's like a museum.
thinking to myself, how did they get all of this stuff here?
Which is a totally different building, about 50 meters or so away from the main coffee shop. The main coffee shop is behind me over there, which is pretty big. It looks small in this video, and the view is just so nice. Every direction you can see boats, you can see water, you can see birds, and there's so much seating, so you shouldn't have a problem finding somewhere to sit. It's really nice here. I'm here on the ocean view. It is super comfortable. I could sit here and stare at the water all day. Walking along the water, and this is so soothing. I could just walk here for a really long time, almost nobody here, and the sound of the water is great. The air is fresh. It's perfect. I can finally do it here. I never expected to be able to do this here. I'm walking backwards for no reason. Wow, coffee by the beach. By the water on the beach.